Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally filmed this highly requested makeup tutorial, perfect for the holidays. I hope you guys love it, and let's get started. Okay, so for this makeup look, I am going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and the first color I'm going to be applying on my crease is going to be this red eyeshadow, and I do start very lightly and then I just start building up the color. I am doing windshield wiper motions, and I am using my Morphe M441 brush. You guys know I live for this brush. The next color I'm going to be applying on my crease is going to be this black eyeshadow, and I'm not applying a lot of this color just because I don't want the black to take over the red, and I still want both colors to be able to be seen. So I literally just tapped the brush on the eyeshadow once and that was it. So just be careful when applying black eyeshadow because it can get really dark and you won't even notice till like later on. Just remember to start blending very lightly and to not apply too much color and you'll be good. Oh, by the way, I am using the Morphe M433 brush to blend this color. I'm going back with the first brush I was using, which is the Morphe M441, and I'm just going to be blending both colors together. So for the eyelid color, I'm actually going to be using this eyeshadow from the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty, and it's called Desert Sand. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my entire eyelid. So for the glitter, I'm going to be using this one by Urbandecay, and it's called Midnight Cowboy. I'm also going to be doing my eyeliner, and the eyeliner I use is from PrettyVulgar, and it's my favorite. It's so creamy and it doesn't dry. I'm going back to the crease and I'm applying a little bit more of that black eyeshadow, just a tiny bit more, not too much. And I am using the E36 blending brush by Sigma. I'm going in with this gold eyeshadow from the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eye and on my brow bone. I'm also going to be applying this highlight by Fenty Beauty. It's called Trophy Wife and I am obsessed with it. I love using it as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. It just makes everything pop out a lot more and I love it. To finish up this look, I'm going to set my eyebrows and I am using my brow gel by Benefit. But once that is done, I am all done with this look. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video.